Welcome to our view of the MyCirrus Cloud, and in particular what we're looking here is at the Quantum Outdoor and the Quantum Indoor noise monitors on our Quantum system. The first thing I'd like to show you is this initial page that comes up when you're actually logged into the system, and this is the live data screen. So what you can see on here is we've got a trace of a number of noise monitors that we've got connected to our system in the cloud, and we've got a 1 second refresh rate, and each color represents a different monitor. So from here I can use my cursor and I can put it at any point and it will show you what the noise levels are. We've got little boxes down this right hand side here which show you which monitors are connected and which aren't, and it'll also give you a second by second update in numerical numbers of those actual parameters. Here we can see in colour which noise monitors we've got connected, and if this screen becomes a little bit too busy because you've got too many noise monitors, you can quite easily cut this down to look at individual monitors on their own by just clicking on one of those, and these will disappear and we're just left with the noise monitor that we're really interested in. The other thing we can do here is focus on the type of noise parameters that we want to see on this live view. At the moment, as you can see here at the top, we're looking at noise at work. So in our box here we've got the LEQ, the 1 second average. We've also got the peak noise level, LC peak. But what we can do, if we just want to focus in on environmental noise, we can change that box to be environmental, and we'll just focus on the LAF and the LEQ. We can have a custom view as well, which you can change to have the specific broadband parameter that you need on this live trace. The other thing you can do, which is quite neat, is you can actually zoom in to the last few seconds, so you can actually see it changing. Instead of it being a wider view, you can actually see it changing just over the last few seconds. As you can see there, it's actually updating quite nicely. This is the first of the views of live data. If I pull down this live data menu here, I can see we're in the overview at the moment. We can see this information as a grid view, so a separate box will show us which monitors are active. This particular one here isn't at the moment, but these three are. And then we can also see those updating second by second, like on the big graph, and we can look at octave bands as well on each of those, if octave bands are available as part of the package that you've got for those particular noise monitors, and again they update in real time. We've also got a plan view. So this is a view where you superimpose the noise monitor level on top of an image that you want to display on this screen. So here we've just got a layout of a building. It could be our office building, it could be a layout of a factory or anything like that, and we've superimposed the noise level on there, and you place it where exactly that noise monitor is. We can edit this and put in extra noise monitors that are available with this account, and we can move these around at will. Similarly, the last view we've got with live data is a map view. So when you first click on this, it shows you a wider view of where your noise monitors are. Here we've got one in the Netherlands, one somewhere in Scotland, and two around our offices here in North Yorkshire. So we can see those values quite easily, and if we want to zoom in on those, we just double click and it'll take us exactly where those noise monitors are located. Here we can see we've got one that's not connected, which is fine, and this is the southern boundary noise monitor, which we do have connected at the moment, and you can see what the noise level is. Again, clicking on these will show you an up-to-date graph, and from this graph we can do a number of things as well. We can perform a calibration, we can change some of the settings, so we can give it a different name, this sort of thing. It's all accessible from here.